里倒水。好，没事。这个念着鱼，啥颜色的？我听了。你念着鱼了吧？我听了。
عيال عمكم
Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name is Budi, and welcome to Fools Amphitheater for High Flyers. Well, the bird flying up there now is one of the show's high flyers, and in a very short while, if he's ready to come down, he will fly very low, just above some of your heads, and land on my hand. Look up, here he comes, a very low flight, and touchdown. Welcome, Baba. Thank you. Well, this afternoon we are going to... Okay, ready? Support is ready, and go. Well, I think Billy did very well. A round of applause for these two birds and the previous Lin and Sarah. But right here in the bird park, we give our birds fun at the nest box on stage. Here they come. These are sun corneas. Well, sun corneas can be found in South America. There's two of them right now. These are purple toucans. Purple toucans easily recognizable by their huge orange bills. Despite having huge bills, they remain agile and maneuverable in flight. And to demonstrate this, one of our trainers, ready, 1, 2, up he goes. Yes! Now for the other, ready, 1, 2, and up he goes. Yes! And another great catch. Well, I have not get your cameras and video cameras ready. I'm going to start off with a simple hello. Can you say hello? A sweet, nice hello. He has a name. Can you tell everyone here what's your name? Did you catch that? This is Amigo. One more time. What's your name? Amigo is his name. Amigo, what would you like to greet all these nice people? He's asking how are you this afternoon. Are you all feeling good? Great to hear that. Amigo here is very smart. He can count from 1 to 10 in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
He's going to impress you further. This time he's going to count in a different language. From 1 to 10 in Chinese. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, he's very good in Mandarin. He's not only smart, he's also talented. He can sing 3 different songs from 3 different languages. First song is a local children's song entitled "Tour Live," which means a guest comes to visit. Amigo, let's sing in Mandarin. It goes to another verse, from a Chinese to a Malay verse. Amigo, you have done the wrong song in Chinese, okay? That's one more time. Let's do this one more time. Ready? Can you sing in Mandarin? There you go, Caroline, word for word. Next song is a Malay song originated from Indonesia and titled Rasa Sayang. Simply means feelings of love. Amigo, let's sing Rasa Sayang. There you go, Rasa Sayang Sayang. Very motivating love, Amigo. Last but not least, an English song. But before he starts, I'd like to ask, today is 3rd of August. Anyone celebrating your birthday? Let's start with the people on my left. Anyone celebrating your birthday? One young man right there. Anyone that I missed in the left section? How about in the middle section? Anyone? 2, the young man right up there. 3. We've got so far 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go. 9, 10. Over on my right. Anyone? 11. Well, this song is for you. Ready, amigo? Let's sing. There you go. Happy birthday for all of you who celebrate here in the bird park. Well, amigo has done very well this afternoon. Can everyone wave and say bye-bye to amigo? And it's your turn. And you say bye-bye. A round of applause for amigo, everyone. Our very talented yellow-named Amazon. Some hornbills who are going to show you how loving they can be. Vicky, Great White Hornbill, will be joining me on stage. Vicky here is a great white hornbill. Well, these birds can be found in Asia, and they are one of the largest flying hornbills that can be found in this region. When females want to nest, they will look for cavities or holes in trees. If you look up at that hut, you can see a nest box. Well, that nest box is similar to the nest boxes that we give our hornbills right here in the bird park. I'll be walking up these stairs very close to you. I need your cooperation. Please remain seated. And when the bird is flying, do not stretch out your arm to try to touch the bird. This is for your safety and safety of these birds. And when the bird is flying very, very low above your heads, if you look up, don't open your mouth. Well, Mickey, nest box is over on the other side. Would you like to check that out? Ready? She's still checking the surrounding of the nest, and on she goes. Vicky, your nest box is to your right. Yes, can you hop there? Okay, what she's going to do next is she's going to inspect the interior of the nest. If she likes it, she will hop right in. Vicky, you like the nest box? In she goes. Once inside, the female will seal the nest using regurgitated food, soil, and even their own droppings to make the entrance of the nest smaller, just enough for the beak to stick out. Vicky, if you like the nest box, can you seal it now? Close box. Vicky, are you still in there? With that, let's welcome out for everyone. Look up there. Here comes another grapevine hornbill. Well, between this time, the female will be in the nest. The male will be very busy looking for food to feed the female in the nest. Well, this will go on about 3 to 4 months until the eggs are hatched and female and the chicks hatch. Well,